It's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris from Sardinia. And this time from maybe one of the best beaches in Sardinia. I am now in between the beaches of Spiaggia di Porto Giunco and Spiaggia di Timi Ana on that end. And you can see here this looks like a desert, and there is even a salt oasis, or what's it called, salt lake here, that is there, that I suppose is filled with flamingos at some point in time. But it definitely gives desert vibes on this 22nd of October 2025, currently 1 p.m. exactly. And to my surprise, Spiaggia di Timi Ana was quite popular, and there were quite a lot of people on it today. And I see also lots of people towards the main part of Spiaggia di Porto Giunco. And yes, today I'm exploring the beaches close to Villasimius, and it's a beautiful sunny day. Despite the forecast said it's gonna be cloudy, I'm really enjoying my time and my swim. So far I did cover two beaches. This is the third one. I was also very surprised by Spiaggia di Simius, which is next to it. You can just walk from Simius to Timi Ana, and it seems like there's some kind of resort over there. As I heard, a lot of people were speaking Polish or Czech, so I guess they are on a all-inclusive vacation maybe here in Sardinia, which I was so surprised by the quality of the beaches. As first I was a bit disappointed from Cagliari, but here with now we're talking. This is actually so beautiful. And not to wait any longer, let's dive into the beautiful sea. So that you can see Timi Ana beach over there, and in between to the other beach, Porto Giunco, which I'm going to get to later. So very beautiful, and such a beautiful day. It's then time for Chris to do one more swim in the sea. It is 24 degrees Celsius in the sea, and the same it's also in the air, but under shadow. Under sun it feels like more than 30. It is so hot. I did put a sunscreen on, so I need to be careful not to get burned by the sun. Ooh, here's a small wave that came in out of nowhere. But just look at the beautiful beach. And here, where the Porto Giunco starts, it's also very nice because there is lots less people. I was quite surprised. I didn't expect that many people today because it's a Wednesday and it's end of October. And I think that the Cagliari airport is also closing for the season soon, so I'm not sure if these are the last tourists that come here. I also saw that next week is gonna be a bit worse weather. And here it is very shallow, as you can see, but the views are stunning indeed. Look at that, beautiful. So at the Spiaggia di Timi Ana, it's also a bit, there are also a rocky part as well, but it was quite a lot of people there, so I just came here to enjoy in peace and quiet. So, ready, set, and just a second, and go! Oh my god, I can't explain how happy I am. It's so beautiful. I just look below the water, underwater, and it's amazing. It's brilliant. And such a wonderful, majestic beach. it looks amazing. It was definitely the right decision to travel 1.5 hours by bus from Cagliari to this paradise. So don't miss out on this paradise when you are visiting Cagliari or Sardinia. And there are so many more beautiful beaches like this in Sardinia, so let's see if I'm gonna come back next year to explore some more. But until then, thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Spiaggia di Porto Giunco and Spiaggia di Timi Ana. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!